So today I thought I would go over my free traffic stats as a newbie, just to give you guys a little bit of idea what it looks like on the back end of a newbie affiliate marketer's stats. Hey guys, I'm Gordon McKinnon. If you're new here, I talk about affiliate marketing, talk about mindsets, and my journey to the 1%. So today we're going to have a little dive into my computer and have a look behind the scenes at the stats of my free traffic, which is YouTube and Instagram. Okay, let's jump in now. Hey guys, so today I thought what I would do is go through a bit of a detailed look at my free traffic efforts and show you what to expect from very little audience, basically. So if you've been following me, you'll know that I don't have a huge audience at the moment. I've only been doing this since mid-February this year, and I'm currently trying to build up my audiences, and I thought it would be a good video just to let you see what kind of results you get from having little audience. So that the first few months of affiliate marketing, if you're just beginning, it gives you a little bit of idea what kind of results you may get. Obviously results are going to be different across everybody, and some people are better, some people are worse at gaining an audience, so you can't take this as a given, but it just gives you a little bit of idea for yourselves to compare to what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first start here, and I'm going to say that obviously my two main free traffic sources are YouTube and Instagram. So YouTube is where I'm really trying to concentrate on building, but as you can see, I currentently have 89 subscribers, and if you look here, it says 24 hours watch time, 60 minutes, 2 views in the last 60 minutes, and 123 views in the last 48 minutes. So how am I getting traffic from YouTube? So every time I post a video, I'll have links below. So if we go to, say, this one, which by the way for some reason is doing quite well on the views, it seems to have done way better than any other one, so maybe YouTube is starting to notice that I'm uploading a lot. So if I just click on this, I'll just pause it because we don't really need to see me. Internet slow, sorry. Okay, so when somebody watches this, they can go through to links here, and this one here where it says my number one recommendation to make a full-time income online, and then there's a affiliate link here. So when they click that link, it takes them here. It takes them to my capture page. When I say capture page, this is where I want people to fill it out their email, and if they do that, then I've got them into my list where I can start promoting to them there. And this is all going towards Legendary Marketer, which is what I promote, is my main thing that I promote. So we'll just go back to Instagram now. This is my Instagram account. As you can see, I've got almost 2,100 followers there. I've only got 18 posts, but this is what they see. They see this, says follow me on my journey as I go from broke to a 6-figure passive income. My number one recommendation to make a full-time income, and then when they click that, it takes them to exactly the same link here, so it takes them to this as well. So I'm now going to go to something called B-Link, which monitors my backlinks. Let me go to that. So here we are on B-Link. This monitors my backlink, so I can see how many people are clicking per day. So as you can see here, June the 18th, nobody clicked anything. I got 1 click. The 20th, I got 8 clicks. Next day, 4 clicks. 1 click, 1 click. Yesterday, I got 7 clicks. And so far today, 6 clicks. When I say clicks, that's the clicks on the 2 links that I've just shown you, the one on YouTube and one in Instagram. So I can also go here and just check out which is getting the most. Alright, some of these aren't going to the main one. I'm talking about my main program that I promote here, which is Legendary. So here, let's just get response. Click funnel. Sorry, right. YouTube Business Builder. So that's the link that I showed you from YouTube. So I've had this on for about 6 weeks now, I think. Unique visitors. So I've had 22 unique visitors click on that. Now, bearing in mind, I've got 89 subscribers and 700, oh, what was it, 24 hours watch time. And I've had 22 people click on that link. So my YouTube channel is at a very, very, very young age and very low starting point. So you can see how this is going to build up and provide some nice free traffic. My Instagram, this is my Instagram link here. As you can see, I've had this a little bit longer, but I've got 55 unique clicks on that. Now, bearing in mind, I do nothing to Instagram, and apart from post a photograph maybe once every 2 weeks, but that is building up nicely. And if you're wondering how I do that, I'll try and link a video to show you how I actually do that. I'll put it up in the cards in the corner. And sorry, so yeah, so we're at 55 links. So you can see that in the last 24 hours it's going up. So my YouTube, I had 3 people click in the last 24 hours on YouTube, and Instagram, I haven't had anybody click on Instagram in the last 24 hours, but that's just how it goes somewhere. So the trick is to just keep on building up these platforms. So once Instagram starts getting 10, 15, 20,000, this number's only going to go up. And YouTube seems to be really be the one where you get the most traffic for free. And like I say, where's my YouTube? Facebook. Right, YouTube here. 22 uniques and 3 in the last, last 24 hours. This is because I'm doing a challenge where I'm posting 1 video every day, and it is definitely helping. So you can see that that's working. So basically, in terms of free leads, I've got 22 uniques there, 55. So over the last few months, about, what's that, 77 people from YouTube and Instagram have clicked on them 2 links alone. If you look above here, this is the one that I do have the same link in my Facebook profile, but I'm not a big Facebook user. I don't promote it, and I do have 9 clicks there. So over the total, then that's 77. That's 86 links. 86 link clicks I have for, which one was it? This. So 86 people have clicked through and seen this. So how many people have actually clicked this and filled their form out? So what I need to do for that, and this I must say is the most important part, because once I get them here, they'll see a really, really good video showing first me introducing myself, and then giving them access to the video for Legendary Marketer, which throws huge amount of value for I think $7 to join, and about over 20 hours of video training. It's amazing. So if you want to see that, click on this link and you'll be able to have a look at that as well. But anyway, so how many people have actually gone through this link and signed up because they're interested in what I'm doing? Let's go to Safari and get response. Now get response, this is my, oh sorry about that, this is my autoresponder that I use. And so as you can see, these are list stats for this week. This is a different list that I emailed to people. Builderall, I had 62 signups on that, but I'm no longer using Builderall, but I do still use that list to send certain things to. This is the list I'm trying to build, the legendary marketer list. As you can see, I've had 2 new people subscribe and 17 this week. In total, in the last, I think, 6 to 8 weeks since I've been doing legendary, I've got 29 people through that link on free traffic. So I mean, that's pretty good. And once they're in here, what's happening to them people is they're getting marketed to constantly, value marketed, I must say, not just spammed. If I go here and go to my autoresponders, you'll see that these are the autoresponders that I've got set up for the people who click onto that first page. It's about 30 odd days, and this isn't just trying to sell stuff all the time. It's value, 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 then link to the offer. A lot of the times it's just links to a video for people to look at a video. I'm not trying to push sales on them. All I want them to do is watch the video. The video is so convincing, it's so good that people either love it or hate it, and if they decide to join, they'll pay the $7 and join and do the 15-day challenge and get a massive amount of information on how to market their business and how to become an affiliate marketer, basically. So this is what the end goal is, getting everybody into here, and the more people I get onto this autoresponder, the more people will eventually sign up. And the gurus at Legendary say that once you start getting 20 people a day, that's 20 people a day that are coming into your list. Bearing in mind, I just said that I was getting, I've had 29 people in about 8 weeks, through free traffic, that is. Once you start getting 20 people a day, the magic starts happening, and people who are doing that, you're starting to earn in the thousands per month at this point, and more, to be fair. So that is my goal, to try and increase this number to at least, in the next few months, get this to 29 every month. If I get 30 in every month, that would be great, and eventually the goal is to do it every day. So that's it, guys. I just thought it might be interesting for you to actually see some real statistics from a newbie at this. And there's so many people out there that are pushing over fake statistics and telling you all sorts of things that probably aren't true, and join me, it's really easy. I'm saying this is really hard. This is not easy. This is not a quick fix. This is not get rich quick. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes dedication, and if you want to do it, don't expect to be doing it quickly. But if you are looking for an affiliate program and really good direction, I urge you to just have a look at Dave Sharp's video. The link is below for my #1 recommended business. It's fantastic, and the support is amazing, and so it's well worth doing. And even if you don't decide to go for it, you will be able to see the kind of emails that I'm sending out. So it gives you a bit of idea. You will get onto my list and you'll get a little bit of idea of the type of emails that you need to be sending out to people on a weekly, even daily basis. But anyhow, that's it from me, guys. I don't want to ramble on too long because I know I can ramble, and I don't want you to get bored. But if you enjoyed that and you want more content from me, or would like to see more content from me, then hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss my videos. Please subscribe, because subscribing helps me as well, and like the video too. It all helps me on my journey to the 1%. Okay, cheers guys, thanks, bye.